Good morning, students. Welcome to the online history class. In the last class, we started with a new chapter, that is, Unit 5, the Iron Age Society. Today, we shall continue with the same. In today's lesson, we will read the social and economic life in the Iron Age and growth of kingship. Let's get started. As in the Copper Bronze Age, in the Iron Age too, the society was divided into certain classes. At the top of the social ladder were the aristocrats. Who were these aristocrats? They were the landowners. Next to them were the middle class. In those days, middle class meant the traders, businessmen, and the craftsmen. Then there were peasants, and in the lowest rung of the society were the slaves. Now let us know something about the Iron Age society. It was in the Iron Age for the first time a healthy relationship developed between the peasants and the craftsmen. And why such thing happened? It was because they were dependent on each other for their livelihood. How? Craftsmen made tools which farmers used to produce crops and thereby earning his livelihood. On the other hand, craftsmen could sell their goods, that is, different agricultural equipments, to the farmers and earn his livelihood. So they were related to each other. They needed each other for their livelihood. And that's why they became friends. Another important thing of this age was slavery. Slavery was widely known in this age. Number of slaves increased in this age because besides doing household works, they were now engaged in production, that is, production of crops. Now, let us take a look in the major inventions of this period. One of the major inventions of the Iron Age was alphabet. Before this age, people used hieroglyphic, cuneiform, or Indus script. You know this from your earlier reading. In this age, alphabet was invented. Invention of the alphabet in the Iron Age made literacy possible to the people of all classes, which was previously enjoyed only by the priests. It was possible for all to receive at least elementary education. And what do I mean by elementary education? That is basic education of reading and writing. As a result of this, the domination of the priests in the field of education came to an end. Another major invention of the Iron Age was coined money. After discovering this metal, people of that age started using it in various ways, such as for making agricultural tools, utensils, carriage, etc. They used this metal to make coins too. Thus, the previously existing barter system had given place to sale with actual exchange of money, which improved trade and industry, and as a result, economic condition of the people developed. However, financial condition of the poor did not improve with this invention. Now, from your reading of Copper Bronze Age, you must remember that there was intertribal conflict due to the dispute over land and temptation of crops and wealth. Now, in the Iron Age, living condition developed and production of crops increased, and with it increased conflicts, problems. Why? Because everyone wanted to prosper and earn more wealth. As a result of this conflicts, people started contributing less time and effort to agriculture, and thus progress of agriculture and industry retarded. Only a powerful king can control and prevent such situation, and thus the need of kingship was felt. That means there was a need of king who can control all these people and stop their conflict. And if the conflict can be stopped, what will happen? The production of crops will increase and the common people will only prosper and gain from it. That's why there was a need of a powerful king. So this chapter ends here. Now let us do a quick recapitulation of what we learned in this chapter. In this chapter we learned that Iron Age is the third and last age of the 3-age system. It came after Bronze Age at different time in different parts of the world. The discovery of iron increased food production as harder tools were made out of it. Iron Age society was divided into different classes such as aristocrats, middle class, peasants and slaves. Major inventions of the Iron Age were invention of the alphabet and the invention of coined money. Wars among various towns on the question of occupying lands and rivers increased in the Iron Age, which resulted in the need of a powerful ruler. Thus, the concept of kingship appeared. Now, after listening to this video, you should read the whole chapter. It will not take you much time because it's a very small chapter. And after reading it, do exercise A, short answer type questions, B, very short answer type questions, and C, objective type questions from your history book. You should do these exercises in your history exercise book. After completing your homework, you can send your homework by mail in the given mail ID or by hard copy at school. That is, you can send your copy to school. You must submit your homework by 13/6/2020. That is coming Saturday. If you have any queries, mail me at the given ID in the class hours. Thank you.